Good morning guys, and welcome back to one of my videos. For those of you that don't know who I am, my name's Becca and I bought a Dodge Sprinter van that we're converting into my dream home. Jake is already here to say hello to everyone first thing this morning. And today we are going to be cutting some of the steel tubing that I'm using to create my counters. I already have the floor plan taped out from when I did it quite a few weeks back. For creating the skeleton for my bed and my counters, it's an aluminum tubing that's hollow on the inside. This is what it looks like. It's just completely hollow. And we got one of our friends to make us these little corner pieces, and they're kind of cross made, so they're super strong, and then they're also crossed in the inside. And then the pieces just clip in like that, and then I'll have my one going up and then my other one going out, and it just creates this really nice corner. It's very flush, and they're super strong as well. And I went with these just because they're a lot lighter of a material, and also having them creates so much less work because I literally just have to clip the pieces on and that's it. And then we also have these pieces. Rather than making a whole bunch of variations of different pieces, we just made a whole bunch of these ones, and then I'm just gonna cut whatever end off that I don't need. So if I'm needing it to sit on the floor, I'm just gonna saw off this end, and then I have right here for my one corner, and then my other corner, and then the part of the counter that goes up. We're just using this saw behind me, and I already set it to the measurement that I think I need. So hopefully I measured it right, and let's get on to cutting these. Okay, wow, that was scary. Oh my gosh. Now I think it's, oh my gosh. Now to cut 9 more of these pieces. I just cut 4 more pieces, and these last pieces should make my cupboards complete. So let's hope I measured them all correctly. Okay, now the moment of truth to see if this top piece fits. Look at that. Oh my gosh. Now I have to remember which way this goes. No way. Look at that. This is literally my counter. Look at that. That actually looks so good. This is what the other side is looking like right now. It is still a work in progress. and we have another counter put up. So this is what we got so far. My counter with my sink, my bed at the back, and then this counter. Okay, I'm filming this in 0.5, so you guys hopefully have like a better picture. But so we just put up that shelf there, and now we're gonna be doing the closet like skeleton pieces going up and down there, and then a couple at the bottom there. Wobbles wants to say hello to everyone. Wobbles is right here. Hi. Ooh, he's just really cuddly today. Guys, look at how cute the kitty is. It's just sleeping in a cardboard box. Just a chill boy, a chill one. Look at the camera. Is this yummy?